Hello friends and welcome to the workshop. The more videos I do about STL, the more topics come up that I should make a video about. Just a few weeks ago, a SolidWorks user asked for help in Facebook regarding STL files that the user was not able to convert even after watching my videos. Then I asked the user to send me the file so I can have a look. So what's the problem actually with STL files? More often than not, the creators of this file are shrinking them so they are smaller and easier to upload and transfer via internet. But let's see what's happening when such file is imported in SolidWorks. Once you import the file in SolidWorks, you will see this error. The model size is smaller than 1 millimeter. Please check that you selected the proper unit in the options dialog when open the file. Current selected units, it's millimeters. So kind of probably you will say that's not a problem, what to worry about, but indeed it is a problem. The mesh has a lot of gaps where you see the purple points. You can see there is error on the import, and once you start the scan to 3D wizard, you will need many iterations to repair that mesh. Even it's possible you won't succeed at all. The reason for this is you have this huge amount of mesh triangles which are packed in this miniature size. So what you can do about it? Of course, also with this size, it's not useful. Go to Tools, Scan to 3D, and then pick Mesh Edit. When you select Mesh Edit, select the mesh you have, and instead of Move Copy Mesh, check Scale Offset Mesh. Then we will just make it bigger. Let's say 10 times. And hit OK. Now we have exactly the same file with a nice mesh details, but in much bigger size. On the other side, if you want to scale it to specific size, then eventually you can draw a sketch as a box. So you can define the sizes you would like to have about this model. Let's say this is 3 millimeters. That's really pretty small still. If I take my caliper, I would say 50 millimeters probably is a nice height for a small, cute dino. Now you can see how small is that. I will adjust the sketch just a bit around. I will make these ones equal. We go out from the sketch, start looking from the right side, and I will scale again using Scan to 3D Mesh Edit. The good thing is you can see a preview of the scale. I think like something in between 13 and 14 is okay, but I will leave it like this. Now when we have it with some normal size, we can check again with our sketch. Yes, it's almost 50 millimeters in size. We can proceed with editing and fixing the mesh. Now I will go to Tools, Scan to 3D Mesh Preparation Wizard, select this, skip to Holes to Fill area. As you can see, there are plenty of holes to be repaired. I will just hit Next, wait a little bit at this point, and OK. Now you see there are some holes left, but we can run the Mesh Preparation Wizard once again to fix these ones. And believe me, when this is on smaller size, it's not possible. What I can give you as advice, it's really faster if you apply a 1% global simplification. And in this case, in 99% of the cases, my mesh is repaired from the first go. Here you can see the mesh is repaired with the global simplification 1% applied. We still have the nice detailed mesh, but it's in the proper scale, and from here on we can continue with the desired convert way. For such organic shape as a dino, I will go with mesh modeling, convert to mesh body directly. Sometimes you have to select it from the part tree. You can choose group facets into faces. It may not work in this dino, but we will give it a try. And from this step further, you can simplify or modify your model any way you wish. So when you import a part and you receive the error message, it's smaller than 1 millimeter, or you're having trouble to fix the mesh, then better to scale it up to a bigger scale, run mesh preparation wizard, reduce with 1% the facets, then repair the holes, and you can scale it back down to the way you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like if so, and see you next time. Bye bye.